Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Nongbah Kajilau Conrad Sangma hene kesingi haba kerem kinong thok khobor Halor ka Jingshah ka balaja ha Malviya Nagar haba kinong shong jong Kajila Arunachal Pradesh gila sha Thombor bat amla ban pediang dalile ruem ula benrap da ka baong baki ktin bakini kibre ki pedan kam ka jingle jongki nginom la ban pediang kum Kajila kari bat kathan haba ngidang ye trei ban ya chikmat ringkat kum kini ki jingkren bat ka jingle kabu yangi shedien ngideban sngouthu baha kari kum ka India ngideban buram markeliang bat kata ka de yangiru ban sngouthu baha ka emlang salang jongiru ngidan kam banle yake e ka ba ngiyalap ulong umentri rangpa ulaban rapru da ka baong ba kum kinong shongshnong langi de nakathan chte la mingi ne nakiwe ki benta jongkari India klam ka jing buram ya kiwe kanum don kalenti ban wanra karoi kapar na kalyang Conrad Sangma lakentu ya baro ba kide ban mi shakmat ban kren kinong yalam na Delhi bat kiwe kinong yalam na gijat benriu kide ban shim ya kalenti bakum kinie kim de ban jashu bat kadon kamru ban ai kijing pinshai khamtam ni kinong shongshnong jong kithan chatela mingi bat kide ban mi shakmat ban kren ban ong baban kren kam de ba ngin kren da kasi kasang henrei ban kren ban ai jing kershan iwe pat bat kentu yaki we ban pen sothu umentri rang ba ulaong ba kum kini Jingshah nginom la ban pediang nakliang jong u komumentri rang ba un sashim ki sin jam ban le ye Halor kani but what ban kren bat ki bor ki ba Halor.
No, the recent incident that took place in Malviya against our northeast citizens from Arunachal Pradesh is truly unfortunate. And it is something that is, I should say, unacceptable in today's world. And the kind of the language that was used, the kind of words that were used, and the body language is something that is really, as I said, it was very sad, and I must say, very unacceptable. How it was, how the way it was put, and the way the language was used, the way the words were used, is completely unacceptable. And in this point, as a state, as a region, as a country, as we are working towards moving forward together, these kind of statements and this kind of behavior only puts us back, 2 steps. We will realize that in a diverse nation like India, we need to respect each other. And so therefore there is no excuse for that. And that happens, and that is something for us also to understand, that within our society also we need to practice the same thing, and as I say, we need to practice what we preach. So therefore we all have to do it. This has to be a universal thing, where people and citizens, whether it's from the rest of the country or from the northeast region or from wherever it is, without showing respect and without giving dignity to others, there is no way that we'll be able to see our country progressing in the way that we all would like to see. So therefore, I appeal to everyone, that this is not something that we should encourage. In fact, people should speak out. I hope that the local leaders there in Delhi, as well as the different leaders in terms of the community leaders also, will take serious steps to ensure that this does not happen. And I do encourage that we should have more and more awareness programs in these kind of ways, and especially for the people of Northeast, we need to also speak out about this to support each other. By speaking out, I don't mean you to say bad things about others. Please, that's not what I'm saying. Speaking out only means that you support one another. Speaking out means is that you appeal to others not to do this. Speaking out means you create the awareness to people who may not understand these kind of things that should not happen, because some people really don't understand it, and we've seen this, what happened in Malviya. So therefore this is very unacceptable, and I hope that necessary steps and action will be taken. And from our side, whatever we can do to support our sisters from Arunachal Pradesh who face this, we are always there. I'm always there, and as I said, from my side, wherever necessary, we'll take up the matter even at the highest level. Thank you so much.